Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make copy table in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, create table is going to the insert one option and click for the table option. Then create for table. Then show the created table. Then table copy is the selected table option and click for the mouse right button option. Click for the copy option. Then click for the behind this page and click for the mouse right button option and click for the paste option. Then I show the make copy text table in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.